Transition words and phrases are the road signs in writing. They clarify relationships between ideas and make it easier for your reader to make connections and follow your thinking. There are different categories of transition words and phrases, like cause and effect, contrast, example and emphasis, addition and enumeration, time, and conclusion. Let's look at each category in more depth. Also known as condition or purpose transitions, cause and effect transitions explain how ideas are related. If you have two differing ideas, contrast transitions help to set up those differences. Example and emphasis transitions explain or give more information about a previously introduced idea. They're sometimes known as clarification transitions because they make your meaning more clear. Also known as agreement or similarity transitions, addition and enumeration words express agreement and reinforce relationships and ideas that came before. Time transition words help define time in your writing. They explain how your ideas relate when it comes to time. As you reach the end of an idea or a group of ideas, conclusion transitions can help you introduce your final point or summarize previous information. Adding transitions to your writing creates clear connections for your readers. By adding transitions, you'll help your readers better understand what you're trying to say.